back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Another video, another day. I'm back. Anyway, Cameraman Ian's back for this video. I really wanted him here for this for a specific reason. You don't know what the video is yet. Whatever we're getting, we have to build, and I kind of need your help with it.
Okay. What are you building?
Anyway, boys, today we got a cool video. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. There's kind of some stipulations with it as to why it's taking so long for me to do. I've had these boxes in my house for a while, and pretty much we got a pool off Wish for like 20 bucks. Now, this pool is quite big. My girlfriend's quite a big biatch sometimes in terms of what goes on in the backyard because she loves your yard and the grass, even though I'm looking at it right now and it looks awful. And she knows apparently pools kill grass. So finally she's not home, and I just want to unbox this pool that we bought off Wish once again for 20 bucks. I think shipping was a little more, and build that thing before she comes home. That's her first time hearing it. How's that sound? We're building a pool.
How are you gonna explain it to her when she does get home?
I didn't do it. Somebody planted it there. Anyway, boys, let's get into unboxing. First off, got a word from our sponsors that I dig a lot. Alright, boys, so word from the people that are sponsoring this video right now. Now, I've been talking to them for a long time, and as you guys probably know, and I'm just saying this for my own good and not for this company, I don't do a lot of sponsorships. The reason I do that is because if I don't like the product, I just won't do it no matter the money. You guys know it doesn't matter. Anyway, just trust me on this when I say dig it. Now, it's from Godyware, and there's gonna be a link down below. They sent me a pair of sneakers here. Show the box if you want to. I lost the top of it because I'm not gonna lie, I opened up this box way before because I really wanted to see them. Then I lost the top, but we got a pair of these shoes right here. Now, I took a peek at them already a little bit. So here's a shoe from Godyware, as you guys can see. Now, this is a reason I really wanted to work with them because I love leather and like weird shoes like this, and I think this is gonna be dope for like fall or like winter or something like that. But the main thing, I always wanted a shoe that had like one of these. I don't really know like how to review shoes in a proper way. All I can tell you guys, I thought these were super dope, and they hit me up for a sponsorship, and I'm like, dude, I want these. And if you're gonna give them to me for free, that would be awesome. As y'all can see, it's kind of the tight back laced, I don't know. And then we have Godyware on the inside. These things are super dope, man. I don't know. I was a huge fan of them. Wanted to show you guys in partnership with them. As you guys can see, it's probably good for rain. Would you say it's good for rain? Like if somebody came and peed on my shoe, would you say that I'm protected?
Yeah,
well,
maybe.
Feel it first before giving your answer. It feels like I take this shoe a lot. Like they show me the website. I'm like, this is sick. This is how I do my reviews of shoes and sponsorships, even though it's not professional. Just talk about what I like about it. You know what I mean? So anyway, I got these a size 11. I'm size 11. I want to try these on real quick. You know, oh, there it is right now. While I'm talking, as y'all can see, that's how the shoe looks on. I think it's very dope. You know what I mean? But anyway, Godyware, they got these, a bunch of other stuff like that. Also, they come in these cool bags, you know what I mean? I think I could put like potatoes in this later. I can reuse it, you know, for like carrying water out. Like when the house is dry of water, I can go to the store and steal water from their bathroom and carry it out in this bag and then bring it home. Godyware.com. Go check them out, boys. Or whatever the website is down below. Go check them out, boys. Alright, boys, so we're in the garage right now where I've been keeping these packages. I think my girlfriend's almost home or coming home soon. She's at work. We've got 3 packages here that have taken a long time to get here. I know they're all together because they came together at the same time. I'm assuming this is all the packages we need to make this $20 pool. I saw a picture of what it's supposed to look like online when they showed it on Wish. I don't know if that's the actual way it's supposed to look.
Sorry guys, if I'm like invisible back here. It's just I really like to sit further forward. I just kind of can't. There's like a bunch of stuff in front of me, and I just don't want to move it.
So what we're working with right now is a 12 by 12 foot pool apparently, and we're gonna lay it right here. We've already picked a spot that's kind of flattened, you know, it's level, so your pool's not tipping over, and when a girl goes in it that's a little bit bigger, or a guy, they don't fuck up the whole situation. We just got back from the store. Thankfully, Ian actually searched up how to put a pool down on the ground. Apparently you need a tarp. We got it from like Home Depot or something like that. We're gonna lay this down. Apparently if you don't do that, then grass grows through your pool, especially when it's a crappy one from Wish, and then, you know, everyone's f***ed. Okay, you can turn off the camera to help me, buddy.
Oh, yeah, yes.
We got way too big of a tarp, bro.
Oh my God. Oh wow, that is.
Oh yeah. Man,
that is excessive.
You could cover like 30 button-naked girls with this thing, you know what I mean? Wow, this is great.
Why would you cover that?
Beautiful. Tarps down, boys. Pool's going right there. So I'm gonna rip off this tape real quick. It's like already, like not, like it's already ripped kind of. But just when you get it, maybe when I pull up and it looks like I just ripped it like fucking the Hulk or something, just kind of like jolt back. It kind of gives a good effect.
Whoa.
Boys, we got the lining for the boat. Check that out. This thing's gonna
you
be
mean
big.
Pool?
Pool? I said pool.
No, you said boat.
I can work as both. You can build it on the water and you're fine. Now watch as one young, strong man goes and figures out where the pool's gonna lie. You know what I mean? No mistakes made. Except for that one. What a boss. So first thoughts, boys. This thing's all laid out. It's still like, it's supposed to be a circle, but damn is this thing big, man. I'm standing in the middle right now. We're now unloading all these tools here.
Show the boat this. Show them this. Like this is how it comes. Like this is what you got.
like a condom is what you're saying. Man, you're not doing yourself justice though. You got a hammer, bro. You got. Oh, there we go. Now that's justice. That's Ian right there. Okay, all right. That's when she's bouncing too much. You know what I mean? It breaks in half. It's all good still, man. You're still rocking with something big. Lightsabers, boys. Check this. We're gonna put on some like really cool like Star Wars music. You know what I mean? That's Obi-Wan Kenobi. They call that.
Dad, what the hell are you doing?
We're just fixing a broken pipe.
What are you doing?
A broken pipe. Don't come over here. It's dangerous.
Brad, I told you can't hold a pool back here. It's gonna wreck the grass.
We're almost done anyway. We'll be out of here in a second.
I'll
That
applaud.
actually went better than planned, though. Holy crap. Get inside, dude. It's raining. Jesus. Or at least in here.
I never start something and don't finish it. Okay, I'm staying till it's done.
All right. Well, if you're doing it, I guess I'm doing it.
Wow.
She's raining, boys. Ian, good job, buddy. Right now, what we have is, I think, the base right here. It's been raining and like it's like mad wet out here. But as y'all can see, man, this looks like a real pool. This is 12 foot by 12 foot. We're gonna see how it fills up. Ian, you feel confident with this or what?
I'm like definitely moderately confident.
Honestly, man, look at oh man. So boys, it's the next morning. We had to wait yesterday to fill it up. I did that overnight. It was also raining. Went and got a cover right after we did that. And this is my first time looking at it, man. It's pretty much, yeah, so she's fully filled. As y'all can see, filled with water right there. And here it is, the whole pool. Everything I had to buy separately was this right here and that right here. I haven't swam in it yet, but I think this is so dope, man. My girlfriend's pissed, by the way, but I don't know how I can be pissed by a pool. Oh man, it's hot in here too. Next thing we need is a floaty. She's looking real nice. Anyway, boys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's it. I'm gonna go swimming in it now, honestly, because I gotta take a thumbnail. I may as well go for a swim. I had a couple more things to say. NameBranFam.com, link is down below if you got jewelry like this. This one's real, but you can get faker ones for free. Just gotta pay shipping. Also, this pool, I searched it up because $20 seemed too good to be true. I searched up how much I paid, and I paid $20 for the pool part. But if you guys go on Wish, there's sometimes options. Say when you buy like a pair of AirPods, you gotta pay a little bit more for the charging case that comes with it. Same sort of thing with this pool and the piping that came with it. So that did cost a little more money. However, pool itself was 20 bucks, and you could probably just go make pipes yourself at Home Depot or something like that if you're really trying to save money. But anyway, boys, stoked to bring this video. If you guys really enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what we should buy next. My budget's pretty big on Wish, man. We should go build more stuff. Thank you for Ian for joining us. He's at work right now, but he took the day off yesterday. NameBran fam, Real Sean, Merkin Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Plow.